you're one of the unfortunate souls that own a Dodge pickup truck, you are probably very, very familiar with what I'm doing right now. We're repairing some broken exhaust manifold studs on this Dodge 1500. This technique here will apply to any make model. It doesn't matter if it's a Dodge, but it's probably a Dodge if it's having manifold leak repairs. We're just gonna weld a regular old nut right here on this broken stud. Right here, you see I've already done that at the top. Weld this on and then extract that stud out. Get this tick fixed on the stop. Let's do it. That's how you weld a nut to your pliers when you can't see what the hell you're doing. Shut up. That's a good one. Oh man. Should have put a ratchet on it.
Left hand drill bit.
Oh, really? Oh, really? Y'all see that? And that is how you fix your ticking Dodge or ticking Ford. You got a 3 valve.